What up, what up, what up is happening, good people? We back at it like a crack at it, you know what I mean? We ready to tackle this daggone Tahoe some more. Uh, Again, like I said, we're going to try to adjust the neutral safety switch thing, and then we got to weld up the exhaust. So, without further ado, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. So, go ahead and put us some ramps up, man. I guess the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is attempt to adjust this neutral safety switch I was talking about. See if I can adjust that to get it to where it shift better. Because if it doesn't shift right, well, I'll put the exhaust on there because we're going to have to take the transmission out again. Somebody is, because I'm not. You know what I mean? Hey, no sir. I spend the money on a good transmission, said to be good transmission, it's going to be a good transmission. And then once again, it's hotter than fish grease. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it, man. Hotter than fish grease. Gotta be, gotta be fish grease hot out here before we get down. You know what I mean? I'm trying to give y'all a non-stop, everyday footage for the month of July of some type. Best believe I'm gonna be getting it for the month of July every day. Some of it you may not see. Some of the footage you may not see. But we gonna get it. Let me take y'all down here and show y'all what we ready to do here. Show y'all what we doing. Probably gonna mess this footage up, y'all, but we adjusted that linkage, that adapter plate, one way or another, and let's see what it does, man. You know, we went all the way. It was before. It's like a teeter-totter. You can adjust it like so. You know what I mean? Before it was like this. Now we're like this, and hopefully we can get. You know, I wanted to get in the center, but we're already there. Let's see what it do. Like I said, then after that, we'll go ahead and weld up the exhaust. Got the AC jumping, y'all, because it's fish grease hot. Let me turn it down here. Like I said, it's not like it don't shift, because it does. It's just late. It should be shifting a lot sooner than when it does. So like I said, we're gonna pull down the road again. Then again, you know, I might just have to leave it be because I have to have something different to drive, and this is the only other option I got right now. Unless I want to work on the box. I ain't really enthused about that just yet. Shifting very lazy. I feel like this transmission ain't gonna last. Yeah, man, it's like at 3,000. It's shifting at 3,000 RPM. I'm not racing. Where do y'all go? It ain't right. Let's see. And to be honest, I mean, with me adjusting that, I don't think it made much of a difference. Now, is the shifting pattern? If the shifting pattern is different on the 4060 than the 4065, you know, one got a deeper gear than the other, I doubt it. I mean, to me, it's shifted too late. It's shifting, but it's shifting too late. You know what I mean? It's shifting, to me, it's shifting like it's a dang race vehicle. Adjust this one more time, and then we may just have to call it good for now. Check my fluid. Alright, man, that vacuum leak might have something to do with it. Let's see. I know it's electronically controlled for sure. I know that. But it might have threw off some other stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do this. First gear. Second gear. Oh, it's not right. It's not right, y'all. Put it all the way down in the first. Second. I don't like it, man. I'm gonna adjust. I adjusted that. It says what it is, man. Oh, no, it's not. See? Okay. My adjustment's off bad. Real bad. Like, I put it in drive a second ago, it didn't say drive. Put it in neutral a second ago, it didn't say neutral. So I'm gonna go adjust it. I didn't adjust it a second ago because I thought maybe something else. But I'm gonna go and adjust it one more time. Y'all. Shit is worse. It's worse. Oh, we back. Man, we're still hotter than fish grease. Man, look at my, I don't know, you can see it or not. I'm changing colors. Out here in the sun, getting this vitamin, what is it, D? E? Whatever it is. I know it's hot, man. Way too hot for me to be doing what I'm doing. But I got to get it done, you know what I'm saying? Transmission in. Iffy on the shift. I'm putting some fluid in it, see what it do. I've adjusted that linkage just a couple times. I ain't seen much of a change. One way it does go worse. I'm gonna be honest with you. If I go too far one way, it does act worse. So I'm in somewhere in the center now. Got my vacuum leak fixed. So let's flip this camera around and see what this dude sound like. Let me show you the mess though. Get it? Still 110, the Lincoln 110, SP125 plus. That's what I use to do all my welding with, man. Little 75-25 bottle of that argon. I pulled that off. It's got a bellows in it. I was gonna put it back, but you know what I mean. I don't have it fully. It stops about mid here. Yeah, it stops about right here. But I do have some exhaust here. I don't know if you can see it or not. So I'm gonna take a bellows and I'm gonna connect the two. I don't have the right size now. Too hot. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it to some concrete. This gravel stuff sucks. You know what I'm saying? So here's the old transmission. I guess this is what my man was talking about with the brown plug, the green plug. Man, like I said, I've put a 4L65E where a 4L60 was. This is my first time going the opposite way. It does shift like it's supposed to. It's just I don't like the way it shifts. All right, and here's that big, huge muffler, man. Huge muffler. We can try to give y'all a reference of how big this muffler is. Let me get something real quick. Let me get something. All right. Regular old 20-ounce Mountain Dew bottle. Look at the difference. Look how big that is. Huge, man. Uncalled for. Anyway, we got to get rid of this. Gone, out. My ramps, lifesavers. These dudes are well over 30 years old. Well over 30 years old. My uncle that I learned to turn wrenches with, I want to say they were his. But he's no longer here. And a lot of my work that I've done, as far as learning and turning wrenches is right here on this same property. And how I learned it was, he gave me this right size sockets and wrenches, and I did the work. And some people don't like it that way. Some people don't feel like that's the necessary way to do it, but I feel like it worked for me, man. Hands on. Hands freaking on. Y'all want to hear what this thing sound like? Let's see what it sound like. Let me flip it around. All right, y'all, we're going to fire it up, see what it sound like. In the mist, picking up my mess, too. Because I do got one. I do got a mess out here. Pick up my junk, pick up all my trash, get it moving and grooving. Fire it up, y'all. let's see what it sounds like when we in the vehicle. See what it sounds like when we in the vehicle. All it is a little cherry bomb. A little vibration, I'm gonna have to relocate it. When I put that bellows in there, I think it'll take care of that little flex pipe. Still shifting late. I don't like it. I'm gonna take it down the road through town and see what it do. Turn some AC on.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.